Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare chlorella versus chlorophyll. Chlorella is a microscopic, single-celled green algae recognized as a complete food source. It's packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. On the other hand, chlorophyll is the green pigment found in plants, crucial for photosynthesis. While chlorella contains chlorophyll, it offers a much broader nutritional profile as a whole food. Chlorella is a nutritional powerhouse, offering a significant amount of protein, dietary fiber, and a wide array of vitamins and minerals, including iron and B vitamins. Chlorophyll, while not a complete food, is highly valued for its potent antioxidant properties and its role in supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Both contribute uniquely to overall wellness. Chlorella is widely available as a dietary supplement, typically in convenient powder or tablet forms, often added to smoothies or taken daily. Liquid chlorophyll has gained popularity for its potential benefits in internal deodorizing and promoting healthy skin. You'll find both ingredients incorporated into various health food products and green drink formulations, making them accessible for different preferences. Chlorella is celebrated for its ability to support a robust immune system and assist the body in detoxifying from heavy metals. Chlorophyll, on the other hand, is often linked to aiding in red blood cell production and promoting faster wound healing. Both offer distinct, valuable health advantages. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.